Opisyal ng giablihan sa Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital ang mas gipanindot nilang outpatient care center sa Pulamulok South, Cotabato. Hassle-free ang transaction dinhi tungod pagsulod pa lang, maakomodar na dayon ka sa imuhang diagnosis o treatment concern. Dali lang usab tawagon ang imuhang priority number alang sa initial consultation, dayon proceed na sa ilahang respected clinics. Ang gikaingong care center adunay 26 clinic, apil dinhi ang duha ka dental clinic, duna usab laboratory ug duha ka emergency room alang sa COVID ug non-COVID patient.
We implemented a queuing system, which I think that's the first here in Pulamulok. Of course, the same thing is happening in our sister hospital.
Our wish is that this beautiful facility here will serve as a symbol of good health for everyone.
Ang mas gikanindot pa dinhi tungod one-stop shop ang gikaingong ospital. Mas convenient tungod lakip sa ilahang gina-offer ang specialized consultation. Abli usab ilahang outpatient care center Lunes hangtod Domingo.
And I'm proud to tell you that as of today, we have 76 doctors consultants. Aside from that, in a week or two, we will have even a psychiatrist. This will be the first in Pulamulok.
Lipay usab ang opisyales sa Barangay Canary Site og Pulamulok South, Cotabato, bisan pa man ang dugay ng partner company niini.
Sir Rene offered a free services sa mga pasyente na dinala namin dito sa Howard Memorial Hospital. Thank you for that, sir.
Umaasa tayo na itataguyod ito ang kahusayan, integridad at profesionalismo habang natutugunan ang bawat pangangailangan ng mga pasyente.
This is just another stepping stone or a milestone in your work-class journey. Thank you.
Nagpaabot usab sa ilahang congratulatory message ang St. Elizabeth Hospital Incorporated ug Metro Pacific Health kalabot sa kalambuan sa pasilidad sa gikaingong OCC.
We wanted to develop an outpatient facility that will deliver the type of service that is expected of us.
We really are thankful with the funding that the congressman is providing us, but it also means if we can actually accept more.
Lakip usab sa ilahang ginapangandaman karon ang digital front door, online appointment aron dili na kinahanglan dugay magpaabot ang mga pasyente. Lauman usab nga mas daghan pang medical services ang dugang i-offer sa Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital ning tuiga. In the heart of changing lives. Kini si Brigada Liza Labajo sa Brigada News Jansan. Brigada News.